Introducing InterlinkIQ, your ultimate solution for food safety compliance and management. Developed by Consultare Incorporated Group, a leader in software-driven compliance, InterlinkIQ simplifies your operations, no matter who you are. For individuals like you, running a small business, compliance can feel overwhelming. With InterlinkIQ, our system helps you manage programs, policies, and procedures, giving you peace of mind knowing all safety protocols are in one place. Focus on your business, while we handle your compliance needs. For businesses, InterlinkIQ offers the ability to focus on growth while ensuring your operations meet the highest standards. We make managing programs, like your food safety management plan, more efficient and ensure that procedures are properly performed. For enterprises, managing multiple sites has never been easier. InterlinkIQ provides tools to manage everything from protocols to long-term plans, ensuring consistency and compliance across your entire organization. Designed by professionals for professionals, InterlinkIQ enhances productivity for food safety practitioners and consultants. With cloud-based access, detailed reporting, and customizable checklists, your work is more precise, efficient, and impactful. Whether it's managing policies or conducting detailed procedures, InterlinkIQ supports your professional needs, keeping you audit-ready at all times. Whether you're managing a small business, scaling an enterprise, or advising as a food safety consultant, InterlinkIQ gives you peace of mind. Your all-in-one solution for food safety management. Simplify your processes, ensure compliance, and stay ahead in today's fast-paced world. Visit www.interlinkiq.com today for a smarter, more efficient way to manage food safety.
To continue our PFL or PFT familiarization, we will discuss the components of our piece. We have 10 components, starting with purpose, scope, policy, procedure, responsibility, corrective action, review quality, reference document, reference, and history. First, purpose. It answers the question why. Why do we need to comply with the requirements? Why this document or program exists in the first place? It sets the context and justification for the entire program or document. In our internal QMS format, we use these terms to differentiate the source of our purpose. Number 1, to comply. The Code of Federal Regulations or CFR constitutes the law. Therefore, compliance with the law is mandatory. And second, to implement. Certification standards such as ISO, FISMA, SQF, Primus, and others serve as the system elements used for implementation to achieve a certification or accreditation status. Second, scope. It answers the question, what is the coverage of this program or the other piece? It defines the boundaries and extent of the document. It also outlines and displays the major sections of the procedure. Third, policy. It answers the question, what? What are the requirements that need to be complied with? Policy are the company rules, the actions the company is taking to implement and maintain the system to ensure compliance with the program's stated purpose. Kindly take note that we have to draft the statement in such a way that the company is currently practicing the program or procedure. We must refrain from using shall or must. Fourth, procedure. It answers the questions how, when, and where. How do we comply with the requirements? When and where we perform such actions. Procedure are the execution of the purpose or policy and its frequency. We have to use action words and avoid using shall or should. Kindly take note, the general procedure is documented in P0. If the procedure is too lengthy or detailed, additional documents such as P1 and P2 may be created. Fifth, responsibility. It answers the question who. It identifies the personnel involved and their responsibilities in executing the program and achieving its purpose. Details the specific personnel and their roles in implementing the program. 6. Corrective actions. It answers the question how to address problems that may arise. It defines actions. It outlines specific steps to address the root cause and correct the issue. In the event this happens, these are the steps. Corrective action is reactive, focusing on addressing problems after they have occurred. It ensures continuous improvement by correcting nonconformities. Kindly take note, if we draft corrective actions, we have to assign responsibilities. Allocate tasks to specific individuals or teams responsible for implementing the actions. And also, set timelines. Establish clear deadlines for each action step to ensure timely completion. In food safety and other manufacturing sectors, deviations and action levels play crucial roles in generating corrective actions to maintain compliance and prevent risk. Deviation occurs when a process, product, or system does not meet the established specifications or standards. It can be either planned or unplanned. There are types of deviations. Number one, critical. It poses significant risk to product safety or quality. Number two, major. This may impact the product but does not necessarily compromise its safety or effectiveness. And third, minor. Minimal impact on product quality and can often be easily corrected. So what triggers a deviation? It can be product not meeting quality specifications, for example, out of spec page levels in a product. Or it can be an equipment operating outside validated parameters. Example, temperature outside the acceptable range in a cold storage facility. Or failure to follow documented procedure, like skipping a step in the manufacturing process. To prevent deviations, action levels are often set. These are predefined limits that, if exceeded, require immediate corrective or preventive actions. Exceeding action levels typically suggest the need for immediate intervention to prevent a deviation or quality failure. The types are critical, may result a serious harm to product safety or quality. Immediate corrective action and potentially a recall might be needed. Warning level, approaching the action level which prompts increased monitoring or early preventive measures to avoid future deviation. 7. Review quality. It ensures that the product, service, or process meets or exceeds the established quality standards. It is a process of evaluating the program's performance and effectiveness over time. It also assesses the quality and impact of the program with the set objectives. It includes process and records review and its frequency. In addition, we, as compliance, need to ensure that the organization's practices, processes, and products adhere to external regulatory requirements, legal standards, and internal policies. Review compliance checks if the organization is operating within the framework of relevant laws, regulations, and standards. It often serves as a precursor to formal external audits by regulatory bodies or certifying organizations. Here is a summary of key differences of review quality and review compliance, with its purpose, scope, outcome, and examples. 8. Reference document. It is a supporting document that provides additional information or guidelines that are necessary for understanding or implementing the program. Kindly note that we have to list all related program, form, and lessons or training included in the program. 9. References. They are often external to the organization and include standards, regulations, or best practices. References are the documents used as the basis for the development of the program, policy, or procedure. It also validates the information in the program by pointing to external sources. Lastly, history. These are the record of changes, updates, or revisions made to the program or document over time. It also tracks the development and modifications of the program.
Should you have any questions regarding this topic, kindly reach by emailing us at success@consultareinc.com or hello@consultareinc.com. Or you can call us at 1-202-982-3002.